What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to modify your Ram 1500 to fit a cabin air filter. So all you need for this is you're going to need your filter, the cover for your filter, and then you're going to need a razor and an X-Acto knife. And if you want to get the job done a little bit faster, you can go with a Dremel instead of a razor blade. So first you're going to remove your glove box. You're just going to push these tabs in like this. And this will drop down, and these little tabs will come off here. So right here is where your filter is supposed to go if it comes with it from the factory. However, this one did not. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out all around here, so that way you can put a cabin air filter in, and then you can put the cover on these tabs on the sides there. So next you're going to remove your blower motor. So that's this assembly here. So you're going to have 1 screw, 2, 3. You're going to remove all those, pull this down, and then that'll keep any contaminants from getting in there. So now that that's out of the way, now you can cut out this section with your razor or your Dremel, and you don't have to worry about getting any contaminants in there.
If you'd like to buy the same kit that I'm installing in this video, make sure to click the link in the description and that'll bring you to the product on Amazon.
Alright, there we go. There's the hole I cut. So I ended up using this utility knife instead of the Dremel because it turns out this Dremel is a little bit too big, so I couldn't fit it in. Never heard that one before. It blows my mind that this thing is a 2012 and did not come with a cabin air filter from the factory, but here we are. So thanks, Chrysler. Well, I trimmed it up just a little bit more, and now the filter goes right in. Now finally, you're going to put your blower motor back in. Now pop your glove box back in. And you're all done. Well, that wraps it up for this video. If you found that helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.